Hello, wonderful people. Welcome to our Mindful Journey Blogs meditation series. I'm delighted that you've chosen to embark on this meditative exploration today. Allowing yourself to connect with the profound peace and radiance that resides within. Let us begin by finding a comfortable seated position, one that invites relaxation and stillness. Gently close your eyes. And let your hands rest upon your knees. Palms facing upward in a gesture of receptivity. Take 3 deep, nourishing breaths. Exhaling audibly through parted lips. Releasing any lingering tensions. Bring your awareness to your physical form. Observing how your body feels in this present moment. Notice any areas that seem to hold tightness or strain. And with each conscious breath, invite those regions to soften and release. Continue breathing deeply. Allowing each exhalation to guide your body into a state of profound relaxation. Sinking deeper and deeper. Into a sense of calm. Perhaps your shoulders begin to descend, or your brow unfurrowed, revealing the serenity that lies beneath. Relax the muscles of your face. And let go of any residual mental strain. Breathe naturally. Savoring this sublime feeling of tranquility. For it is here, in this sacred space, that your true essence resides. You are safe, you are whole, and you are embraced. By the beauty of your innermost being. What a profound gift it is to connect with this aspect of yourself. To simply exist in the present moment, free from the constraints of the external world. Now let us engage in a visualization exercise. With each inhalation, envision a radiant, positive light energy entering through the crown of your head. As you exhale, imagine this luminous energy flowing down your spine, permeating every cell. Continue breathing in this revitalizing energy, allowing it to cascade through your body. With each exhalation, visualize yourself bathed in a cleansing, washing away any stagnant or negative energies that may have accumulated. Leaving you refreshed and renewed. Inhale peace and radiance. Exhale stress and heaviness. With each deep breath, purify your energetic field, allowing this positive force to fill your entire being. As we continue this journey, I will share with you a series of affirmations designed to help you step into the fullness of your radiant self. Feel free to repeat these affirmations aloud or silently within your mind, truly embodying their essence as if your entire being knows them to be true. I am filled with gratitude and joy. I radiate peace and positivity. I embrace my unique light. I am worthy of love and happiness. My life is abundant and bright. Take 3 more deep, cleansing breaths. Exhaling through an open mouth. Releasing any remaining tensions or resistance. Notice how your energy has shifted. How you feel in this present moment. Remember, you can always return to this state of peace and positivity. For your inner sanctuary is ever present, waiting to embrace you with its nurturing embrace. Your peace is always within your power. A sacred gift that you carry with you wherever you go. When you're ready, blink open your eyes and observe your surroundings with a renewed sense of wonder and appreciation. May your day be filled with beauty, love, and the radiant light that shines from within, sending you infinite blessings and love. Namaste.